Hey everyone, how's it going? So, do you have watches and the battery's out, or you think it's not working anymore and you want to take it to a watchsmith? Is that what they call them? They usually charge $20 to $30 to change out the battery. Um, and it's pretty simple. So, you actually can purchase the battery yourself. I'll post a link on this description of this video as well. You can get these on Amazon and ship right to your house. And you also need a tool, a watch tool case, just like this one, that has all the tools, the small screwdriver, and the ratchet to take out the back. So essentially, you just have to remove the backing. Some requires just a small flathead screwdriver. Most of the other ones, like this Tissot, you do have to use that ratchet to get into those grooves right there, which you cannot do with any other tool. So you need a watch kit tool that is able to remove these backings. So most of them, you have to remove the back. So these tools, you will be able to do it for, the tools and the battery itself. You can replace many batteries of these watches. Some watches don't require replacement, the self-charging ones, but most use battery, and it runs out, after a few years. So let's go ahead and show you how to change this Gucci watch. So this one requires, and I recommend getting a cloth to place on the bottom while you change the battery. So we're just gonna use, let's go ahead and use a little, I'm gonna use this towel here so you don't scruffle up the screen there. So what you want to do, so right now you can see it's not working, right? So usually there's 4 screws, and you want to go in gently. These screws are very sensitive. You don't want to over torque it, right? Or else you're gonna have to find one, which is very difficult to find. So you just want to go in there, and pretty simple. And I'll show you how to take this backing off. So again, work on a bench where, in case if you do drop it, it doesn't get lost anywhere. So there's that screw right there, very small. So just be careful not to lose it. And take your time, work in a well-lit area. And you can do this less than 10 minutes versus trying to go find a watchsmith or not. And they'll charge you $20, $30, then you have to wait 30 minutes or an hour depending on how busy they are, right? So pretty simple to do. And then we have one last one here. There you are, and this backing, it should have a rubber seal, so be careful with that. Just want to preserve that. And I took the battery out already, so I knew which one to order. I'm gonna get this one out. This one you want to be careful to make sure there's a little line right there where you want to put it in at an angle. Don't just shove it in there. And that is it. It should be working now. There's the second hand, and it's moving. And essentially that is it. That is how you replace or get your watch to start working again. So you want to make sure which one is facing the top. So this is the top. So you want to place this on the top as well. Line them up, make sure the rubber seal is in there good. And then place the screw right inside the slot there. It's a very small screw, so just take your time. See how it fell off? So you want to be careful not to lose it. So it looks like it's not lining up, so you just have to adjust it slightly so the screw holes are on there, and then try again. Yeah, getting it back on is a tedious task. There you go. You just want to screw it on gently. Again, you don't want to over torque it, or else you're going to strip the screw and it's not going to seal correctly, especially for these watch that you can go underwater with. And that is it. So work on the other three side, and you have yourself a workable watch. So again, I'll post a link where you can get these tools from. Same thing with the batteries. Get it next day shipment, and it costs less than actually going to get this replaced by, get the battery replaced by someone else, whether that's at the mall or your watch dealer shop. They charge $20 to $40. Not worth it. Check these out. Catch y'all next time.